Gee, you know, that was very interesting, everything you told me about concrete cement. I mean, I always just took it for granted.
Now I'd like to listen to your poem.
Oh, well, then, here we go. My poem. I think...
Big Bird, listen, I've finished with my letter, and I would like to listen to your poem now. I have time.
Okay, I was just going to read it to this rock person here.
Oh, hi, rock person.
So, you can both listen.
All right, fine.
I think that I shall...
Excuse me. Hello, Olivia.
Hello, Dr. Price.
Hello, rock person.
Hello, Dr. Price.
Oh, Big Bird, I am tired of observing clouds, and I would very much like to listen to some poetry. May I join you?
Oh, sure, Dr. Price. I was just getting started. I think that I shall never see.
Hi, everyone. Hi. Could we listen to your poem, too, please?
Oh, well, sure. Gather around.
Yes.
I think that I...
Oh, wait a minute. Here goes Mr. McIntosh and some kids. Maybe they want to listen to your new poem. Would you like to hear Big Bird's new poem?
I'd love to listen to it. What do you have?
Oh, big audience. Okay. I think that I shall...
Hi.
Say, what's going on out here?
Well, Big Bird's getting ready to read his new poem to us. Do you want to listen to it?
Can I listen to it? Sure, I'd love to. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
I think that I...
Wait a minute, Big Bird, there's some more kids coming over there. Maybe they'd like to listen too.
Hi.
We like to listen to your poem.
Okay, all right, okay. You know, I couldn't read my poem before because there was nobody to listen to it. But now I can't read it because too many people keep showing up.
Okay, go ahead.
I think that
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters A and B and by the number 8. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.